Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to create a Kaspa wallet. It's easy to get this done. Open up your browser, and with your browser opened up, log on to kaspa.org. Once there, you can have a look at what Kaspa is all about, and once you've taken a glance at everything they have to offer, scroll down to the wallets, to the get the latest wallets section. You can see that Kaspa has a web wallet and a mobile wallet. It is also available on the App Store and Play Store. So I'm going to be getting the Kaspa from Google Play. So click on Google Play and you're taken to Caspium. So click on install. And once the Caspium wallet has been installed, I'm going to be showing you how you can create the wallet from it and how to make use of the wallet. So the Caspium has been installed. All you need to do is simply click on the open option. Once it's done, click on new wallet. Enter a name for your wallet. So we can just give it a simple name, Kaspa. Click on next. We can skip this option, that is biometrics. So we can skip this. Got it. The secret phrase is shown. Simply click on I've backed it up. So once you've clicked on this, are you sure you've backed up your secret phrase? Click on yes. Create a 6-digit PIN. So let's go with the 6-digit PIN. And here we go, the Kaspa wallet. So guys, with the Kaspa wallet opened up, you could simply click on the receive option and receive some Kaspa on your wallet. You could click on send and send some Kaspa to an address. You could enter a note, you could scan a QR code to send, and all the good stuff. You could also make use of the settings icon, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you can find the currency, the theme, and everything about the Kaspa wallet. You could also back up your secret phrase and also donate to the Kaspa devs. So guys, that's how you can create the Kaspa wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.